There is absolutely no delay at all. We need to share our sincere gratitude to our Honorable Home Minister and the committee that he has constituted. They have worked like all of us. They have also worked day and night for this to give us the green signal. But then we have to wait till the end of the day to get the green signal, because there is a cabinet meeting that is going to happen this evening, and they're going to take a decision by this evening. But it all looks favorable. They are all quite happy, and I need to really thank our police, commissioners and the police team, and also our chairman of the committee that has been constituted by our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Maheshwar Rawji. So they've all been extremely supportive. They've given us the given us the guidance and everything possible. That they've supported us a lot, and all of us are working. And finally, here what transpired in our discussion is that both RCB and Karnataka State Cricket Association, they need to work hard and have to give them the assurance saying that the work will be completed. And we have already given the timelines of the work order that has been issued and the work that is taking place, and also when the work is going to get completed as well. So we have assured them that in 2 months, having assumed the office, in 2 months, if we have to sit in this room with top people of Karnataka, that in itself shows our commitment for cricket. That in itself shows our how much we want to give cricket to our fans, cricket fans. Because for me, it is not just bringing in IPL matches. It's also bringing in international matches. I myself have played at this iconic stadium. I know how knowledgeable my people, my cricket fans are. So it is my responsibility to bring back cricket, and we are taking all measures to make sure that the fans are are safe and secured when they come into the stadium. And so far it did not happen. We have seen one of the best of the matches, which includes the '96 India-Pakistan World Cup match as well. So we've seen there was 38,000 people. There were equal number of people outside as well, but not in a single incident that had happened. I don't see. It is unfortunate whatever happened, but then I don't see that happen again. But yes. We are making sure that we are taking all the measures. Yeah. So